Varicomp is a 5-year program to develop new materials and structures made from composites that no one's done before. It's really cool. There's 2 main streams to it. One is conventional structures, which we just make so much better. Brand new composite wing box, which is 30% lighter, 20% stronger than anything created before. And we've got Airbus and Boeing very interested in this, but don't tell anybody else. Our second major stream is actually developing new types of structures. Structures, well, think a bit more freely. Imagine 50 years in the future when perhaps we can have structures which can morph, change shape, readapt themselves to new functions. I like to think of it as artificial metamorphosis. You have nuclei or modular bits of material that can break down when not in use and then be repurposed and joined into something else. Of course, what does this sound like? These are just words. But I fully believe that in 50 years' time, the idea of a material property is an artificial abstract. You're going to have systems of properties, multifunctional, where it's a healing function, a biological function, electrical, magnetic, or whatever, all entwined together in a multifunctional environment. So Varicomp's been going for just over a year now, and when we're at full speed, we'll have 25 people working on it, 15 PhDs, 10 postdocs, and myself. But we're looking, this is just the nucleus. We want to grow the activity. So watch this space.